Now, cycle completed. We are talking about SKF, no? Hmm. Next, we are going to talk about there is something called
Sir,
prime. Yes, tell.
the distribution cycle every month we have to run it. Am I right, sir?
Yeah, we have to execute it. Correct.
That's good.
You create it only once,
Yeah.
but you execute it every month.
Mm.
Yeah. So because that month expenditure will differ. That month, if you are SKF, that basis also will differ. Yeah.
If it is a
Okay.
standard basic also, that is every month we have to run it.
Every month, yeah, you have to run it. True. Yes.
Sir, did you get a chance to look into my query, sir? Yesterday I asked him, sir, KB61.
KB61. Oh no.
Still,
Just 1 minute. 1 minute. Still, you are getting the same stuff, same error.
yes, sir. Telegram also they didn't reply. I'm waiting for.
Okay. Is it affecting any other topics?
No,
No, right?
not
Okay.
sir.
Just 1 minute. Just 1 minute. Just 1 minute, guys. I'll be back. What is your document number?
One all zeros and 11, sir.
One double all zeros, 9, huh?
11.
Huh?
11, sir. 11.
11, huh?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
13635.
Okay, okay.
There is stop my practice, sir. It's all that.
Well, it is working. There is no problem, absolutely. There is no problem. As I checked, there is no problem at all. You can check now. 1008 is the CO document I got, and properly it is coming. There is no error at all.
But
Okay.
try to enter, when try to assign to H100, it is not allowing me, sir.
You do it once again now. You do for a new FI document you post. You do it now. Let's see. No? There is absolutely no problem at all. Okay. Yeah. Let me know before the class. Okay. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Now we are talking about ZAPL and we are talking about SKF we completed. Today we will talk about what is SKF, guys?
Statistical people.
Okay. What is the use of it?
It is used to collect the data at numbers.
It is used to reallocate the cost. Yeah.
Based on the
It,
variables.
It is a variable basis for the reallocation of the cost. Number of employees, number of units, number of days, number of hours, number of kilometers, number of liters. You don't know what will be the requirement. No? According to that, if you want to do, you can use SKF. Okay. Depending upon the usage, you want to do it. Okay. Good. So it is a way every month it is will be changing. Correct? Good. Now next one what I have is okay, some people are joining.
Breaking.
My voice breaking?
Yes, sir. Breaking.
Is it breaking for everybody?
No, sir.
No, must. So from the problem may be on your side, ma. Okay.
Okay,
So
sir.
today it is primary cost, secondary cost. Right? This is the topic for the day. Why I am discussing this primary and secondary is our next cycle. Correct. So the reallocation, how many types we have, guys?
4 types.
4 types.
What are they?
Line items,
Uh-huh.
manual
Manual
posting, distribution cycle,
Distribution
assessment cycle.
assessment cycle.
This is the assessment. Now we are here. So here in assessment cycle, we will use secondary cost. So till now, whatever we discussed, they are all primary costs. Understand? That's why we need to know what is secondary. Okay? Right. Let us understand. So now I want to enter into fourth cycle, that is assessment cycle. Primary cost is the expense posted in FI module and flowing to FI module and flowing to CO. Okay, CO, that is controlling module. Is it clear? So it is, yeah. Expense posted to GL accounts in FI, and from there it is, we are making the GL accounts as a cost element. Na? It is flowing into controlling. Okay. Till now we have seen a rent, wages, canteen, all of them are coming from FI or not?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Yeah. The primary cost will be same in FI and CO. Will be same, na? At any point of time. Correct, agree? So if it is in CO means what, it has come from FI, na? So where the difference will come, the difference will not come. Correct? The total primary cost, that is for each cost element, will be equal. You may reallocate, you may divide, but the total equal to what is in the GL account, no? Agree?
Yes, sir.
Correct. So because it is coming, only source of is FI only, no? So if I post in FI, it will come to CO, and at any point of time, FI and CO will be same.
Equal.
If you total up all the cost elements, if you see what is in the GL account, they will be same because it is coming from FI only. Now secondary cost is the cost secondary cost or the cost, as a cost created in CO in controlling module for reporting purposes. they do not flow from FI. Okay.
Yes.
Why this situation is coming? We need to understand. Okay. Why we have to even talk about the secondary cost? Suppose I will give you one example. Again, people joined late, 7:22. Okay, just one. Okay. Now, suppose there is one department is there, na P100. Okay. This is my what department it is? Production, na? Yeah, production cost center is there. Okay, production department. Now in this production department, we have two processes. Process 1, where I manufacture laptops. Process 2, where I manufacture printers. Okay. Now yesterday also I was discussing. Now I do the quality check. Quality check of finished goods. Correct? We always check na before we sell to customer. So we have a quality check expense cost element is there. Okay. Right. Suppose we are spending rupees 1 lakh on this. Is that clear? Quality check expense GL account is there and cost element is also there. Correct? Yeah. So how much we are spending on the quality check? 1 lakh. 1 lakh on both quality check of both laptops and printers. Both they are. The department has to, this quality check unit has to check both the products. Correct? Yeah.
Yes.
Now, how you will divide, guys? How you will divide this 1 lakh between the laptops and printers? See, if I want to sell laptops, I need to know the selling price. Na? To fix the selling price, I need cost price, right? In the cost price, quality check expenditure, I should include or not? Include or not in the cost price?
We have to include.
Include. So what should I do now? I have to divide na, this 1 lakh. Yeah, tell me now, what should I do? How I will divide this 1 lakh between laptops and printers?
Number of
As usual,
hours and
SKF.
number of unit.
Number of
Units.
Hours and
units.
number of unit.
Number of units manufactured, right? Manufactured. Suppose number of unit manufactured is laptops units manufactured, we'll keep it simple, 600 units. Printers manufactured 400 units. Okay. So how much will go to process 1 now? Suppose I am reallocating. Yeah, understand. This is my quality check expense now. It is a cost element. Correct? It is a cost element, right? It is a cost element. And here I am having my cost center now. P100 cost center. So in this, how much is there right now? Rupees 1 lakh is there,
1
right?
lakh.
Agree? Yeah. So what I want to do now, I will create 2 more cost centers. I will create like process 1 separate and process 2 I will create separate. Okay. To reallocate. Okay. Process 2 cost center, process 1 cost center separate. So now I am reallocating based on the SKF. Now, what is this number of units? SKF. Okay. So how much I will get now? Process 1 will get how much?
60,000.
So it is minus 60 plus 60 here. Agree?
Yes.
Okay. Here it is next line. What is it? It is minus
40.
minus 40 and plus 40. Correct? So right. So you are doing like this reallocation you are doing. But there is a fundamental problem here. The problem here is, so you are doing distribution, correct? You are doing distribution based on SKF. Fine, no
SKF.
problem. But there is a problem here. Now, if someone asks me, can you tell me total quality check expense in P100? What is your answer?
0.
But is it correct?
No.
See, process 1 and process 2 is part of my production, na?
Yes, sir.
Correct? So saying 0, is it correct, guys?
No.
No. Actually, how much you spent in P100?
1 lakh.
P100.
1 lakh. 1 lakh.
1 lakh. So answer should be 1 lakh, na? But your report showing 0, right? Understand? So here the problem here is when you want other reports, your existing report is getting disturbed. So process 1 and process 2, if I want the report, if I want to reallocate, what is happening? My P100 is getting affected, right? That is the problem. Okay. Okay. So what I want now? I want without impacting P100, I want the report now. Understood? I want the report without impacting P100. I want process 1 and process 2 also. So how I will do that? Understood the requirement, everybody? My P100 should show me 1 lakh. But at the same time, I want process 1 and process 2 also. Correct? Okay. So here what we do, we don't, here we will create something called secondary cost, means duplicate cost. So what I do, I duplicate here like this. One more 1 lakh I will create. Understand? Yeah. And then what I do, I don't divide this one, I divide this one. Got it? I don't divide this one, I will divide the secondary, duplicate I will divide. Is it clear? So this 1 lakh duplicate divided between process 1 and process 2. Original remains original. Correct? So this 1 lakh what you are seeing is the secondary cost. Secondary cost you can call it as a duplicate cost. Correct? So secondary cost is a duplicate cost that we create for reporting needs. Is it clear? See, that doesn't mean that a quality check expenses is becoming 2 lakhs. Huh? No. That is even though you are duplicating, system will tell clearly this is secondary, this is primary. So primary we are not doubling. Primary remains primary only, 1 lakh only. Secondary we use for other purposes. Is that clear? So when I duplicate, I can use it for all my analysis, no? Correct? You understand? I can do lot of analysis, right? See guys, when you study, na, you do your BCom, MCom, MBA, you get your certificates, right? Original? Huh? Original
Yes, sir.
certificate you get? Yeah. Will you get 1 copy or 10 copies of original?
1 copy.
1 copy. But you do photocopy, na? Xerox?
Yes.
Correct? When you do photocopy, when you do Xerox, it becomes original, huh?
No.
No, right? Original is original. Photocopy you can take 100, na? No problem. That is nothing but secondary. Is it clear? The purpose may be different. Na? Why you are doing photocopy? To submit to my application, job application, whatever. The purpose you do photocopy is for various reasons. You understand? Na? Yeah. Original remains original. Original is the primary. Is it clear? So during in course of my analysis, when I am doing analysis, I have such requirement where I have to duplicate and do analysis. I cannot do analysis on my original, na? Understand? See, I cannot give 10 people are asking my certificate copy. I cannot give original to everybody, right? No, I do photocopy and give to everybody, right? Same way here also. To do analysis, there is a requirement of creating secondary cost. Is it clear? So here what I am doing, I am reallocating my primary cost or secondary cost.
Secondary cost.
That is what we do in assessment cycle. In distribution cycle, what we are doing, guys? In
Distribute
distribution cycle, what we do? We reallocate
Primary cost.
primary cost. Is that clear? In assessment cycle, we reallocate
Secondary cost.
secondary. Got it? Okay, note down, I'll give you time, then we will do this practically, okay? Yeah. No.
Sir, one scroll up.
Okay, 1 minute, ma. Okay, we started here, na, primary. How many of you are practicing daily, guys?
Yes,
Practicing.
sir,
I'm practicing, sir, every day.
Yeah, so those who are practicing, you see their confidence. Those who are silent in the class, you think about yourself. Why I am silent today? Correct? You should do practice or not. I know your mind, your mind will tell you you should, but you are not doing. Correct? You should do, right? Think about it.
I'm doing the practicing one time only, not many. For each example, one time I'm doing, sir.
No, I'm doubtful, no? I'm very scared to ask this question. How many people have started controlling? There are people who have not even started controlling. I think so. Anybody there? Not started controlling, guys? We started controlling how many weeks back? Anybody there still not started controlling? If you are there also, don't tell me no. Keep it to yourself. But it is wrong. You joined the course. Just by listening, you cannot learn, no? You cannot learn. Correct, na, guys? Agree with me?
Yes, sir.
Just by listening, can you learn SAP?
No, sir.
Okay, noted this.
Done, sir.
Done.
KBC phone is working fine now, sir.
Working fine?
Yes, sir.
Well, I did not see any problem. There was no problem.
I posted new vendors, sir. And by date, it's working fine.
Good.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, welcome. So now, so I am going to, right. So I am going here. Yeah, primary cost. So first we will create the, write down the steps now. Step number 1. We will create the quality check expense cost element. No? Okay, create the quality check expense cost element.
This
Correct?
is an assessment cycle, right?
Expense, yeah, this is a assessment cycle, correct. Assessment cycle in which we are using primary cost and I will use SKF also, okay? Both I will show. And make it a cost element. What is the T code? FS doubles. Next, number 2. Quality check expense, make it a cost element. Now create a new cost center. No? Create new cost centers. What are they? PWA process 1 and process 2 cost centers. Yeah. Next, number 3. Number 3, what we do? Create a statistical key figure. Okay. That is KK01. Now this is KSP KS01. No? Yeah. Next, this one, number 4 is what? Post actual expense, actual quality check expense to P100 cost center. Correct. Next, number 5. Post actual statistical key figures for the period. Correct? Yeah. For the period, I think it is KB31N. Just 1 minute. KB31N /N KB31. Yeah. KB31N. Next, number 6. Create assessment cycle. That is KSU1. Number 7. Execute the assessment cycle. KSU5. Check cost center report for P100. Check cost center reports for
Process 1 and process.
for process 1 and process 2.
KSP1.
So here process 1 we give statistical key figure, we will give 600 units, correct? And process 2 we give 400 units. Here I will give expenditure rupees 1 lakh. Okay, no down. Then I will do one by one.
So in reality, who helps us with this statistical key figures? Where do we get the reports? Which team?
Who will? This is all user side, ma. We are just supporting them. So you create the cycle, correct? So are you talking about these figures?
Yeah, I mean, actual manufacturing data, who helps us in real
They
life?
will post themselves. How much they are spending, how many units they manufacture, that is their problem. No? They will enter.
Okay.
This KB31, they will enter. This 1 lakh, they will enter. Understand? This how much they are spending. Who will enter? Ma? Who is spending this money? They will only enter. Na? FB50 who will do? Consultant will do or user will do?
User.
So,
This also it's numbers. Na? Who will enter? They will only enter. This run who will do? They will only do. This report who will check? They will only check. But this cycle who will provide? We will provide. This key figure who will provide? We will provide. You understand? No? The birth we give. Later on, they will take it over. They will use it. Is it clear? Yeah.
yes, sir. So one more question, sir.
Yeah.
In CVO, the costs are getting captured for particular process or particular product in a manufacturing units. So does this mean we will be involved in pricing of a product because this data is needed for pricing any product, right, sir? Is it
You will see now going forward, you will get modules. Module, we have to connect with material. Raw material cost, how we are taking. Correct? Manufacturing cost, no, manufacturing means we will connect with PP module, production planning. Then based on that selling price, pricing conditions, we have to define. That is SD module. So that is a big picture. Once we are first we are connecting with our own CO.
right?
Once we are done, we have to connect with other modules.
Okay.
Is that clear?
Yes, sir. Thanks, sir.
Okay. So we'll see that. So that's why our weekends will start lengthy topics there. So tomorrow we will have class. What time, guys? 7 to 9. Is that okay? 7 to tomorrow is what? Okay. Okay.
Only
Uh,
give Sunday, sir.
Only Sunday?
Yes, sir.
Only Sunday means your course will get extended, ma?
Sunday also fine, sir.
Sir, but
So we will have 1 hour only, okay? 7 to 8
yes.
only tomorrow.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay then.
Right. Sunday also same time. Probably we'll see. Tomorrow I will tell. Na, let's first get back tomorrow. I will talk about Sunday tomorrow. Okay? Yeah. Okay.
Process
Sir.
two, no,
Done,
sir.
sir.
Done, everybody?
Process two, last.
Process 2. Yeah, this is process 2. Na? Yeah, process 2. So get ready for more practice, guys. More hours. Get ready now. So the pace should pick up, na? Correct or not? See, when you are in quarterfinals, you are semi-finals. Now you are entering into finals means more practice, right?
Yes, sir.
That's how you succeed, na? You want a gold medal or not?
Yes, sir.
Then you need more, na? Right. So the intensity will increase, hours will increase, practice will increase. Then you will be ready to enter into market. Got it? Yeah. Okay, now. So now, yeah. Okay, let us go now. You tell me, guys. I will not do anything. You tell me. Step number 1. What should I do?
FS 00.
00.
First 00.
Create
Quality check.
14 is there. 15 I am creating. Okay. Next.
Quality check.
Okay. Next.
G00. Save.
Okay. G00. 4, na?
Yeah.
Save it. Next, what I do?
Edit cost.
Edit cost element, na? Okay, make it edit cost element. Cost element category 1. Save, na? That's it. Good. Next. Come on, tell me.
Create percentage.
Create
Yes,
cost
sir.
case 01.
KS01, na? Okay, /n KS01. New cost centers I am creating. Process 1. Enter. This is my process 1 cost center. Process 1 cost center. Person responsible production. Same guy, na? Category also same only. One only. One means production, yeah? Next, what I do? Hierarchy is this, right? This is the hierarchy, right? Okay, what is the currency? INR currency, yeah? Yellow warning, present.
25.
Okay, no, no. Same like how I created previous cost centers, I will create this cost. Okay, press enter and then save it, no? So one more cost center I need to create, no? Process 2, right? This is my process 2 cost center. Process 2 cost center. And then this is my person responsible production manager. Then cost center category is 1, hierarchy is this, currency INR, na? Press enter. Yellow warning, press enter, save it. Okay? Save. Over. That is my step number
2.
Next. Step number 3. Statistical key figure, na? We will create /n KK01 key figure. Okay, I'm creating like, number of units, na? Okay, Z number of units. Okay, I'm creating something. Okay, so my ZAPL number of units I created. This is my ZAPL number of units manufactured. Correct. Statistical key figure unit of measurement is what? Unit of measurement is units only, na?
Unit.
It's not hours, it's not days, it's not correct. It is units only. So select units. Unit, na? Unit. Okay, sometimes you may have to give the number of, hours,
Weights.
correct? Weights, yeah, percentages, miles, kilometers, days, yeah, hours, like that you have to give each, like. Okay, press enter, save it. Okay.
Sir, can we control the master data fields here? Like how we do in set accounting?
How we do asset accounting?
We did that step 14 and 15 to control the depreciation area layouts and
Yeah.
can we do
Okay.
like that here?
Group level, we have to go. Cost center group is there, na? Hierarchy,
Yes,
in that
yeah.
level we will. Categories we have na categories, cost center categories we define, right? From there you
Fixed value.
leave it, fixed value, leave it as it is. Okay, whatever is coming, you
Okay, sir. Done.
done, right? Next. Now what I do? Next one. What is the next step?
Post expenses, quality.
FB file.
Expenses to P.
FB50. So let me go to / and FB50. What should I give now? Give the
Date.
date. Okay, what is my cost element now?
4,15,000.
10.
4,15,000, huh? 15.
Yes.
How much I'm spending now?
1 lakh.
1 lakh. Which cost center I will give?
P1.
100.
1.
P100, right? Here what I will give? Bank,
2 lakh.
right? Debit, credit, na? Put star here, right?
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
Done?
Done.
Super. Save it, na? Over. So 1 lakh I spent. Correct? Good. Next what I do?
For actual statistical key figures.
So expenditure I spent now. Units also I should give, na? Okay. What should I give now? You tell me.
KB31 and
KB31N.
Yeah.
Okay. What is my process 1 now? Process 1, how much it is? SKF is statistical key figure. What I created?
ZNOU.
ZNOU, na? This one, right? Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. How much quantity? Process 1, how many units?
700.
Process 2, how many units?
400.
ZNOU. ZNOU, how many units? 400. Error.
And I'm K and K.
Gale.
K and K, na?
Yes.
RKS transaction. RKS. RKS. Controlling area, ZAPL. Yeah, click on the groups. Click on the groups. Select this. And what is this one?
RKS.
RKS, no? This is
Make it
RKS.
add.
Select this. Click on add, no?
Yes.
Got it? Save it. Enter. That's it. Good. Next. Come on. Next
Yes.
what?
Step is not completed.
Create assessment.
Step is not completed, sir.
Oh, correct. We did not, we just solved the problem. No? The step is not
Go back,
save it.
sir.
Now it
Yes.
is solved. Now you save it. Correct.
Save it.
Yeah, now it is saved. Next one.
Create assessment.
KSV.
U1.
Yeah, U1.
U1.
Come on. ZAPL. I will create a ZAPL quality check assessment. Na? Okay, I'll say QA. Okay, press send. This is my quality check assessment. Oh, we did not create one important step. Sorry. Here we need to add one more, create secondary cost element. Okay. Where we will add before the cycle, we will add. Here we should add. No. Number 6 we add here. Without that, create secondary cost element. Primary cost element, how you create? Same way you have to create secondary cost element. Yeah. The T code is KA06. So this will become 7. This will become 8. This will become 9. This will become 10. So small correction here. Because in the actual assessment cycle, when I go here, na, like this, na, why I will tell you. Assessment cycle, when you go, attach segment, it will ask. This is the secondary cost element, it will ask. See, all the other things are same, you see? Can you see? It is like showing, looking like a distribution only, na? Yeah, but it is asking one more extra assessment cost element is secondary cost. Okay?
Sir, can you
Okay.
show that note, sir? I'll take it, sir.
Yeah, no.
1 second.
The T code to create the secondary cost element. Normal primary cost element is KA01, right?
Yes, sir.
Secondary is KA06. Is that clear?
Yes.
Okay, let's go. Let's go and create /n KA06. Go. Come on.
Enter.
Enter. No. I will not create a secondary with GL. Na? Any number you can create. Secondary cost element need not be a GL account. You see, 1000 I want to create. Can I create? Yes. See, suppose if I go to KA01. KA01 is what? Primary. Now, if I give 1000 here, you see what it says.
Create the GL account.
So, without creating GL account, can I create the primary cost element?
No.
Got it? Yeah, but secondary, duplicate, na? Create anything, any number, whatever you want. Understand? That is KS. Okay, press 1000. Can you create 1000? Yes. This is a, what is this? This is a assessment, na? Yeah, this is my assessment cost element. Yeah, I'm using it for what purpose? I'm creating secondary for assessment. Yeah. This is my assessment cost element. What is the purpose now? Category, you see, category. Can you tell me which category I should select now? Why I am creating secondary? For what purpose?
Assessment.
Assessment. What number?
42.
42. Okay. Right. Any number you can give here. Yeah. No need to worry. Yeah. Save it. So cost element has been created. Now what I do? I go to my KSU1. Again, I am giving. You're already logged in the cycle. Yeah, it's there. So again, I am giving KSU1. Press enter. Yeah, this is my quality check assessment. Click on attach segment. Same way. How I did distribution, same way. Come on. What is my segment? Quality check assessment.
Sir, one scroll back.
Quality check assessment. Here, I will go to KSU1, give the name, give the date. Okay. Press enter, give the description like this. Click on attach segment and give here, na, like this. Description you give, quality check, assessment cycle. Correct? Then assessment cycle, what number?
42.
No, number, assessment cost element, what I created?
1000.
1000. Sender rule posted amount, correct. 100%, yes. Variable portion, yes. What is a variable portion? SKF. Correct or not?
What
Not.
is that lock indicator, sir, on the board?
Which one?
Lock
This
indicator.
one. You don't want to change, you know, then it will be locked.
Okay.
Nobody, we don't want to allow any changes, na, then you lock. Okay, done?
So answer.
Done, sir.
Done? Yeah, sender receiver, sender cost center. What it is?
P100.
P100, correct. Who are my receiver cost centers? Cost element is what?
Like 15.
4 lakh 15, na? Correct. My receiver cost centers, tell me.
Process 1 and process 2.
Process 1 and
Process 2.
process 2. Okay. Right? Sender values. Everybody understood? This is the main cost element. Secondary cost element I gave here, na? Correct? Sender values, no need to give. As it is, will come. Receiving tracing factor. Here, actual statistic. What is our statistical key figure?
ZNU.
ZNOU. Okay. So tomorrow you have class guys 7 to 8, okay?
Yes, sir.
So sender values I am not giving. Receiving tracing factor. Receiver tracing factor is this, na? ZNO. Now receiving tracing factor is this 100. Don't wait. Don't wait into that. It's fine. Weighing factors not required. Just give this and then save it. What is our request now? We are doing what?
Control.
Control.
Control. That's it. Now I created my, what is that one? Assessment cycle, right? Good. So now I am going to run the cycle. Now what is it? KSU 5. Okay. Period 1. Test run. What is the cycle name? It will come automatically. Yeah. When I click on drop down, it will come. Okay. Test run I am doing now. Test run. Execute. Okay. One more message we are getting.
KNK.
KNK RKIU, right?
Yes.
Okay. Go to KNK now again. /n KANK. Controlling area ZAPL. Groups RK IU. Stick this. Come down. You can do all at a time. No problem. RKIU. I want to show you, na? That's why. The purpose, no? Which transaction is at the back of which screen you should know, right? Okay. This is RKIU. Okay. Save it, na? Now done. Next. Now again I am going KSU 5. Yeah. Assessment cycle. Okay. Do it. Now execute now.
Remove the test run.
Test run. Yeah, one sender. One sender. How many receivers?
Two receivers.
Two receivers. How much? 60/40, correct?
Yes.
Based on SKF, no? Correct or not? Which cost element it is showing? It will not show original one. Duplicate only it will show. You understand, no? Good. So you go back now. Go back. Remove the test run. Execute. So now can you tell me how much will come
50,000.
in and process 2?
143.
KSB1. KSB1, process 1 and process 2. Which cost element I should give here?
1,000.
1000, na? No, correct, na? We are duplicating, na? We are distributing duplicate cost or original cost?
Secondary cost.
Secondary cost, right? Yeah. So that's why it will show 1000 only. 1060, 1040. What date? Month end. Correct. Then if I want to check my original report, original P100,
1 lakh. will be-
P100, na? P100, what cost element I should give?
Lakh 50.
4 lakh 15.
That I will not disturb, na? Yeah, that will remain as 1 lakh. Is that clear? Original, secondary, primary, second. There is no confusion. Primary is primary, secondary, secondary. Yeah, so we are using secondary for analysis. Correct? You can take the cost and you can do whatever you want. No? So once you have a photocopy, you can sign on it. No? You can put your own signature and give to somebody, right? Correct or not? Yeah. That is the advantage of having a secondary cost. Secondary. Yeah, you can do all the breakups, whatever you want, you can. Clear, everybody?
Yes,
Yeah, this
sir.
is about the reallocation. Yeah, very important topic, reallocation. How many types of reallocations we have?
4.
Four.
types.
Line item reposting,
Manual
manual reposting, distribution cycle.
assessment cycle.
Assessment.
Distribution cycle uses
Primary.
which primary cost. Assessment cycle uses
Secondary
Second.
cost.
secondary. Correct? Okay, do this, guys. We'll meet tomorrow then. Same time. Yeah. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you.
Yes,
So
sir.
we'll have class on Sunday.